We're going to be making a soap, and the scent is cactus and sea salt. And I'm going to start with putting a thin layer of blue for the sky in the background. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but we're going to try it. We got some little bubbles in there. My soap isn't real hot. There we go. Spritz it real good. I'm going to let this set up just a little bit, and then I went ahead and made some embeds of cactuses and the desert dirt and clouds. So we'll just give it a couple minutes. Okay, this is set up, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. And to make the ground, sand, whatever, I just took and filled a whole side with the brown and kind of just cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour a thin layer in there. Spritz it. Let it set just one minute. Don't want it to be too hot or it'll melt my embeds. Temperature gun. Okay, so I'm going to spritz this real good. I'm going to put it in. Hold it there so it stays. And I need some little clouds. I use just a cookie cutter for this. The other ones. Over there without messing up the other ones. I'll spritz it. Okay, we sprayed this one. Okay, I have a bigger cloud for this one. We'll spritz it. To this one. Just a thin layer, but I don't want to move my other embeds. This tablecloth looks like I'm spraying it all over. And this little cloud we'll try over on this side. Okay, now we're going to let this set up, And then we'll come back with another layer and put some cactuses in. Okay, they're set up. So I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. I have to put a little bit thicker layer so it covers everything. Okay, I'm going to let it set up just a little bit and then I'll add my cactuses. And I did make some little sea salt stones, but I'm not sure if they'll just sink right in. I think I'll wait till I put the cactuses on to put them on. Well, while we're letting that set up, I was going to show you the mold I used for the cactuses. I don't know if you can see it. I just got it at Target. And for the clouds, I bought these little cutters on eBay for like $1 or $1.50. Okay, I'm gonna try to put just a thin layer again. I don't know, maybe I'll start with the little rocks. I just took some pink Himalayan salt and I put a little bit of mica. I want to spray it a lot. Spray those. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. Be more careful next time. But we'll just put our rocks down in here. That's what I get for rushing on the other one. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and spritz it again up in here, and we're going to put a little bit. I'm going to spray the cactuses. And for these, I think we'll put them over here. Cover up a little bit of our rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna let that set up, and then we're just going to cover it with some clear. I'm trying to let my top soap cool down a little bit because I don't want to melt the embeds. So we're going to wait just a couple minutes here and keep checking it. Also, I put my fragrance oil in all the bottom layers so I can try to get my top to stay as clear as I can. There might be a little bit left in here, but sometimes it wants to make it cloudy. So I try to keep it out of the top. Okay, I'm at 130 and it's starting to get a little bit of a skin on the top. See if I can remove that. And I'm actually going to pour over these, I hope it's not too hot, pour over these rocks first so the mica doesn't take and run. Yeah, I think they'll be okay. Go up in the top. There we go. Get out the air bubbles. This alcohol gets all over. I need a new bottle. Okay, I think everything's covered. We've got the air bubbles out. So we're gonna let it set up and then we'll come back and unmold it. I've taken and unmolded our Cactus soap. I had scented it with cactus and sea salt, and I had put little pink Himalayan salt, and I kind of painted over them with brownish mica and put the cloud in the background, and I think they came out pretty cute. So this was the finished product. I'm going to take and try and do one with a larger cactus. So please like and subscribe and come back and check out the other videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.